So my name is Dusan, I am 20 years old and I come from Serbia.
My name is Miloš, I'm 20 years old and I come from Serbia, Belgrade.
I was 11 and a half years. The diagnosis was non-Hodgkin.
When I was diagnosed, I was 12 years old. It was osteosarcoma.
My mom was treated from Hodgkin. I had non-Hodgkin. She knew everything that is going to come up, the therapy, everything. So she introduced me. But the doctors, from the doctor side, no. Some younger doctors that were on specialization, they approached me and they were like a little bit talking with me, but not much.
Usually with childhood cancer, they normally talk to parents about their child and everything. So it's kind of about the parent who will, if the parent will share information with the child or not, because we have a lot of cases where parents protect their children from not telling them what they have, and so that's one of the problems. Yeah.
Getting knowledge about what is going to happen, to have a proper team that will approach to you and try to explain what's gonna happen, and also maybe first to be introduced to a survivor, and so he can share his experience first, and then some psychologists and doctors, the team of them, after the survivor, because I think for the new patient, he will be glad to see that it is possible to defeat it.
The biggest challenge is like getting back into the society after like losing a year or two of public life or something like that, because for a year or two you're closed in the hospital and behind four walls. So social inclusion is really one of the biggest problems, and a lot of people get rejected because of how they finish treatment, like there may be physical appearance, or like 2 years is a year or two is too much for someone to be out of the society. So we need to like prepare them to get back into the society as completely normal people and not get judged. When I finished treatment, when I went back to school, there was one friend of mine, like we were at the break, and he was drinking a soda, and I asked him like, "Hey man, can I take a sip of soda?" And he was like, "Well, are you sure you can do it? I won't get cancer or anything."